This is a story about a blinding disease, river blindness, and the Lions Club's members throughout Cameroon who are tackling it head-on and making a huge impact. Worldwide, hundreds of millions of people are at risk for this disease. It is, however, a disease that can be eliminated. The black fly breeds along riverbanks. The fly picks up the disease by biting a previously infected human, then transmits it to others it bites in the future. The fly deposits little worms, which then grow under the skin and cause intense itching, skin discoloration, rashes, and ulcers. Enough bites, and the disease spreads to the eyes, potentially causing blindness. Jean-Marie lifts his pant leg to reveal flies gnawing on his leg. After years of repeated bites, he is at great risk. Everywhere there are signs of the ravages of this disease. Women with leopard skin on their arms and legs, and nodules under their skin that is scratched raw. Hassan, a 10-year-old boy, has a nodule on his head, a manifestation of the disease. The disease flourishes in areas difficult to access, but Lions and community distributors are ensuring everyone is helped.
Last year, the level of treatment in each of our areas exceeded 75% of the population.
This same river is the source of life for the people of Cameroon. The lands are most fertile here, yet the flies feed on those working the fields. The more disability the disease causes, the less economically productive the regions become. The potent drug Mectizan kills these parasites in the human body. For over 20 years, Merck has donated the drug free to all who need it. Only a few hundred meters away, in the Makusap district of Masangan, Lions are already at work, teaching, healing, measuring results. Lions are not only teaching the villagers, but also training them to teach. For the 2008-2009 treatment season, Noor Dubai joined the effort and is providing funding. Launched by the ruler of the United Arab Emirates, H.H. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, Noor Dubai is helping fund sustainable eye care programs and countrywide treatments to those who need them. Day after day, village after village, Lions are helping those who are suffering, but they're also protecting future generations from this dreaded disease. In many villages, children have been left to care for their elders who have the disease.
The Lions work hands-on, are always ready to help and give us strong support.
The program is not just handing out pills, it is education at town meetings. It assesses the medical situation of the community by interviewing all heads of family. It is measuring the height of the villagers to provide the appropriate drug prescription. It is recording which houses get the medicine and when. It is recording where the disease is present and fighting it. It is going door to door and telling them about the disease and treatments. It is returning to the community following distributions to check for side effects and measure the effectiveness of the program. Lions are also collaborating with health and government officials as well as tribal chiefs. They advocate continuing to improve the health of their communities, to increase the participation of the Ministry of Health, and to work on synergizing the successful program. Treating more than 1 million people annually is a large task that no one organization is able to do alone. Similarly, Lions are fighting the disease in 14 other countries afflicted or at risk for river blindness. Working with the Ministries of Health, partner organizations, and community groups, LCIF and Lions have distributed more than 127 million treatments for the disease. The Lions of Cameroon are treating those infected by this disease, but also working diligently to get rid of this disease as a public health concern in all of Cameroon. This is just one example of humanitarian service to the highest level. This is what your support of LCIF is making possible.
Thank you, LCIF! Merci, c'est super!